Right, on this one, what we have is this trap here. The other side of this wall, there is a leaking fitting where it goes into. So in here, we just move you up. That elbow there is leaking, apparently quite badly. But if you move this pipe here, it's not even sealed. So what we're going to do is we're going to undo them nuts, both of them, take it out and see what's going on. See if it's got a washer in it or not. I suspect it hasn't.
I don't know where you are, but you can show me.
It hasn't got a washer in it, so I suspect it needs a new one. So let's take that out and see what's going on. Undo this nut up here. Can't see a washer on there. Put it off, see what it is. There we go. Yes. No. So that's all that's on there. These two. Oh, the washer is in there, but it's like jammed in there. So I'm going to leave that in there. Just fit another one onto it. Up there. So let's fit this. Up there. This one is not up here. It's tight. Try and get this one started. get that started, like so. We can tighten that one up and tighten that one up. So that all nice and tight. Then